Hello everyone, welcome to Sanam's Kitchen. Today I have very tasty and very flavorful side dish. It's veg fried rice, and it goes really well with Hakka noodles or Szechuan noodles. So let's start. But before we do, please subscribe my channel. So we are going to start with heating up about 2 teaspoons of oil. To that I'm going to add garlic, ginger and green chilies. Saute for a second and add chopped carrot and chopped onions, and I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of soy sauce. Stir fry for a few seconds. Then I'm going to add chopped bell pepper and chopped spring onion, and again sauteing for a few seconds. Now the heat should be on high so that the vegetable remains crispy. And now I'm going to add cooked rice. Now this is al-dente, so I'm going to mix this well, and I'm going to add fried rice masala. So this is a premix I'm using. Now mix this really well. I'm going to add half teaspoon of salt and half teaspoon of garlic sauce or garlic chutney. I'll link that in the description box below. So I'm going to mix this really well, and our fried rice is ready. Now let's serve. So I'm going to take it out in a tray or a serving tray, and I'm going to garnish with some chopped spring onions. Look how beautiful it looks, and I'm going to give a quick taste. Wow, yummy it looks. So make this recipe today, try it out, share your comments below, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my future uploads. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.